Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about smart contracts and cryptocurrency. We'll start with introduction to smart contracts, then we'll understand decentralized applications. Then we'll understand what is cryptocurrency and what is the role of blockchain for cryptocurrency. Then we'll also understand how cryptocurrencies gain value. So let us understand smart contracts. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of agreement between buyer and seller, written into lines of code and stored on the blockchain network. Smart contracts automate processes and reduce the need for intermediaries and manual processing. They are often used to facilitate, verify, and enforce the negotiation and performance of a contract. A traditional contract is a legal agreement between parties that specifies the terms of a transaction or relationship. It outlines the rights and obligations of each party and may include clauses outlining what should happen if one party fails to fulfill their obligations. Smart contracts are similar to traditional contracts in outlining the terms of an agreement, but they are written in code and stored on a blockchain. This makes them easier to enforce and execute, as the terms are automatically enforced by the code. Okay, for example, you have an identity agreement. You first let multiple parties identify the cooperative opportunity and desired outcomes. Then we set some conditions, and smart contracts are executed automatically when certain conditions are met. Then when it comes to a code part, it's basically a computer program that has written by a developer. Then what is the relation between blockchain technology? The encryption provides a secure transfer of messages between parties. When it comes to execution part, the code is executed and outcomes are memorialized. Then when it comes to network updates, since it's a blockchain, all the nodes on the network update their ledger. We are basically adding a new block, but instead of buying some kind of cryptocurrency, we are writing some code in a smart contract and we are updating the ledgers with that smart contract. So introduction to decentralized applications. dApps are software programs that operate on a decentralized network and are built on a decentralized platform like a blockchain. They are distributed, transparent, and resistant to tampering and are not controlled by a single entity, making them immune to censorship and ensuring their openness and transparency. The apps usually have two properties. The first one is a front-end interface for users to interact with, and the second one is a backend code base that runs on a decentralized platform. The backend code is open source and designed to be transparent and verifiable. So we will develop our own decentralized applications at the end of this course, and you will understand what we mean by front-end and back-end and how to connect them. There are various types of dApps, for example financial dApps, and they are used for financial transactions like cryptocurrency exchanges and lending platforms. Identity dApps, they are used for identity verification and management like identity systems and reputation systems. Supply chain dApps for supply chain management like tracking the movement of goods and materials. And we also have voting dApps for online voting and governance like decision-making platforms and election systems. Even though these systems are not that improved, in future we expect to use them more commonly because they are transparent and everyone can see the data going around. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by a central authority like a central bank or government. Cryptocurrencies are based on distributed ledger technology such as blockchain and are secured through a process called mining. Cryptocurrencies can be used as a medium of exchange and traded on online exchanges or used to purchase goods and services from merchants who accept them. They can also act as a store of value, similar to traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro. What is the role of blockchain? Cryptocurrencies can be examined in two categories in terms of blockchain: coin and token. A coin is a type of cryptocurrency that is decentralized and operates on its own blockchain, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum are all examples of coins. A token, on the other hand, is a digital asset that is typically built on top of an existing blockchain, like BNB Smart Chain. Tokens are often used to represent a specific asset or utility and can be used for a variety of purposes, such as representing a share in a company or being used as a means of exchange for a specific good or service. In short, the main difference between a coin and a token is that a coin is its own standalone cryptocurrency with its own blockchain, while a token is built on top of an existing blockchain, usually like BNB, Smart Chain, or Ethereum, and serves a specific purpose. How cryptocurrencies gain value? The price of cryptocurrencies is determined by the supply and demand balance. When more people want to buy a cryptocurrency, its value increases. Similarly, its value decreases when demand decreases. Some factors affecting this supply and demand mechanism: the use of money, the benefits it provides, the need for that cryptocurrency, basically, the amount of supply in circulation. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. I will see you in the next one.